Imagine a world without mosquitoes. No buzzing in your ear on a warm summer night. No itchy red welts after a day spent outdoors. A world where diseases like malaria, dengue fever, and Zika virus are nothing more than a distant memory. For centuries, mosquitoes have plagued humanity. But what would the true cost of such a victory be? Mosquitoes, believe it or not, are important pollinators. They feed on nectar just like bees and butterflies, and in doing so, they help plants reproduce. Certain plants rely heavily on mosquitoes for pollination, and their decline could have cascading effects on other species. Beyond pollination, mosquitoes serve as a vital food source for a variety of animals. Fish, birds, bats, and amphibians all rely on mosquitoes as part of their diet. Removing this food source could disrupt food chains, leading to population decline or even extinction in some cases. The delicate balance of nature is easily disrupted, and the consequences are rarely predictable. Eradicating mosquitoes would leave a void in the ecosystem, a void that nature would inevitably seek to fill. The most compelling argument for eradicating mosquitoes is undoubtedly the potential to save millions of lives. Mosquito-borne diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, yellow fever, and Zika virus plague many parts of the world, particularly in tropical and subtropical regions. These diseases cause immense suffering and death, especially among children and pregnant women. Eliminating mosquitoes could potentially eradicate these diseases altogether, freeing millions from the threat of infection and death. The economic benefits would also be significant, as healthcare costs associated with mosquito-borne diseases would plummet. Regions plagued by mosquito-borne diseases often experience hindered economic development. Eradicating these diseases could unlock the potential of these regions, fostering economic growth and improving the lives of millions. The promise of a world free from mosquito-borne diseases is a powerful one. While the potential benefits of eradicating mosquitoes are alluring, it's crucial to acknowledge the potential risks and unforeseen consequences. Ecosystems are complex and interconnected. Removing one element, even one as seemingly insignificant as the mosquito, could have cascading effects throughout the food chain. Some bat species rely heavily on mosquitoes as a food source. Their decline could lead to an increase in crop damage and the need for more pesticides, which have their own environmental consequences. Furthermore, the methods used to eradicate mosquitoes could have unintended consequences. Genetically modified mosquitoes designed to reduce mosquito populations by preventing offspring from surviving have been released in some areas. It's crucial to proceed with caution and a deep understanding of the potential risks involved. The decision to eradicate mosquitoes presents a profound ethical dilemma. On one hand, we have the potential to save millions of lives and alleviate immense suffering caused by mosquito-borne diseases. The moral imperative to protect human life and well-being is strong, and the potential benefits of eradication are undeniable. On the other hand, we must weigh this against the potential ecological consequences. Eradicating mosquitoes could disrupt ecosystems, impact other species, and lead to unforeseen consequences that we may not be able to predict or control. Some argue that the potential benefits to human health are so great that they justify the risks. Others argue that we must proceed with caution, emphasizing the need for more research and a deeper understanding of the potential ecological consequences before taking such a drastic step. The question becomes, do the benefits to human health outweigh the potential risks to the environment and other species? The decision to eradicate mosquitoes is not one to be taken lightly. It is a choice with profound ethical, ecological, and even philosophical implications. It forces us to confront our place in the natural world and our responsibility to future generations. Do we have the right to eliminate an entire species, even if it means saving human lives? It demands a nuanced understanding of complex ecological systems and a willingness to grapple with difficult ethical questions. There is no easy answer, and any decision will likely have both positive and negative consequences. Perhaps the most important lesson to be learned from this dilemma is the interconnectedness of all living things. As we grapple with this decision, we are reminded of the delicate balance of nature and the profound responsibility we have as stewards of this planet.